An easier way to place drawing area titles is to use the drawing area title tool. To get to that, you can either go to the Tasks General tab and look underneath the Place Plan Callouts and find Place AEC Drawing Area Title. Another place that the Drawing Area Title tool can be started from is if you go to Project Explorer, scroll down to Cells, Drawing Area Titles, and Bar Scales. The first one here is place the AEC Drawing Area Title. This, when you double click on it, will also bring up the Drawing Area Title tool. This will bring up a dialog box, and what you can do is, if you're using reference file descriptions, so if you fill out the description part of the reference file, you can use that in this tool to place the drawing area title. The other thing that the drawing area title does is it reads the scale factor of the reference file and will select the proper bar scale for that. If your reference file is not to scale, or you don't want to display that scale, you can always override the scale and put in not to scale. Another thing you can do is select Plan North and add a north arrow. You can also place a true north arrow and give it a rotation if you know what the angle is. Another item is to add a detail note and a cross reference. With these items, you can edit a lot of different or add a lot of different features to the drawing area title. And the last checkbox is add a link. What this will do is add a link to the drawing area title that goes back to the model that you're referencing. And if you have the cross reference or back reference tag on the drawing area title, it will add a link to that too that you can edit to point to where your reference is being pulled from. So to place the drawing area title, then it's pretty simple. All you need to do is find the lower left corner and the lower right corner and select those two grid locations and place the detail. When you zoom in, you'll notice that it took the description name and put it into the detail for you. And then you can edit the notes just like you would if you had placed it manually. It operates the exact same way because it is the same cell. And if you have the cross-reference link, you can use this tool to open the link, edit the link, and remove the link. If we edit the link, that brings up this dialog box where you can point to the file that contains it. And let's see, it's in this file, and you can tell it what model that it's into. So if it was in a different location, you could go there and point the link back to it. Then if you hover over this link, you could follow the link or open that link to get to wherever that model was. Again, this one will take you to the model. This one, after you edit it, will take you to the sheet where it's back referenced to. Another item is if you select the lower right detail and place the bar scale, you'll notice that it sets the scale correctly and will select the proper bar scale for that. So you pick the lower left and the lower right, and you'll notice that it placed the bar scale where it's supposed to be and edited the text. So it really makes things easy for you to do. It also knows what grid you're in, so it places that text correctly also. And there's one more feature to this tool that makes life even easier, is if you have a rotated plan, it will read the reference file's rotation angle and place the north arrow, the true north arrow, in the direction that you tell it that, or that the plan is rotated. So when I select those 2 points, all I really needed to do was know that it was rotated and make sure that it was turned on.